TapTes and Lanmu apparently have the same supplier. Lanmu is apparently selling it or getting it for a little bit cheaper. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Test This Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Today we have another Tesla Model 3 product review and install. This is a wireless charger. Yes, this is another wireless charger that I am reviewing. This is from a new company that I haven't heard of, but have just been acquainted with, Lanmu. So I'd like to thank Lanmu for sponsoring this video and sending me one of their wireless chargers. Really excited to install and review it. They've also sent me a discount code, so make sure you check the description for that. So yeah, this is available on Amazon for $36.99. There's currently a 5% coupon on Amazon, not including the discount code. So this is one of the cheapest wireless chargers out there available for the Model 3, and I'm very curious to see how well it does. So we're going to go over this, check out its quality, see how well it does, and also compare it to a couple others that I've had in the past. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you guys shortly. Right. Welcome back. So yeah, let's talk about the wireless chargers that I've had in the past. Y'all might have seen a video that I uploaded a little while back, I don't know, like 10 videos ago. I ended up making my own wireless charger for the Model 3 out of a foam pad, a leather pad, and a couple energy pads from Amazon. So this was my original solution, and then I went and bought a TapTes charger. So I currently have the TapTes charger installed in my car right now. I really like it a lot. It looks great. It fits the aesthetic of the car and looks OEM in my opinion. So let's take a look at that. So currently in there we have the TapTes charger, and I'm going to tell you that this box looks eerily similar to the one from TapTes. It's nearly identical, just with a Lanmu sticker on it. This feels like it might be the same charger as the TapTes one, just rebranded with Lanmu. So let's open it up and check it out. All right, so right away we see a thanks for your support card from Lanmu. We do have the instructions pamphlet as well as a couple pieces of double-sided tape. And then we have the two USB splitters as well as the charger itself. This is all looking incredibly familiar to this TapTes charger right over here, but let's find out. All right, well, that is identical. So this is the exact same charger as TapTes. TapTes and Lanmu apparently have the same supplier. Lanmu is apparently selling it or getting it for a little bit cheaper. So that's really cool to know that they do have a cheaper option of the exact same charger. Okay, so now we have the TapTes charger on the right and the Lanmu charger on the left. They are very, very similar. Cannot quite tell if they're identical. They are certainly the exact same shape, as you can see by overlaying them there. Exact same backing and all sorts of stuff like that. The only thing that really seems to differ are the USB splitters that come with it. Let's get this guy installed, make sure that it works, lights up like it should, and yeah, we'll go from there. Like the TapTes charger, it sits in there beautifully, looks really good, and seats just fine. So like usual, I have my iPhone XS Max here, and we're going to check how it fits in here and make sure that the LEDs are working. You can see it immediately starts charging and the LED light turns on the left side. And if we move it over to the right side, the same thing happens and the corresponding LED lights up. I guess that you can get the TapTes charger for quite a bit off. As I said, it's $36.99 on Amazon. And as you can see with my phone in there, we are able to close the top and bottom here with no problems whatsoever. And that's with an iPhone XS Max with a case. All right, so we just wrapped up the review of the Lanmu charger. It is a great little charger and it's very, very affordable. As I said, you can get this for $36.99 on Amazon. There's currently, at the time of filming this video, a 5% coupon available from Amazon itself. And then make sure you check the description below for a discount. I'll probably put it on the screen as well. What we saw is that the Lanmu charger is nearly identical to the TapTes charger. So I basically now have two of the identical same chargers. So I'd like to thank Lanmu for this awesome charger and for sending it to me to review. It's a phenomenal product and it is priced very, very well, especially with the 5% coupon and the Tesla's Wild discount code. So make sure you use those upon checkout. Go get this because it's a really great deal and I don't imagine that they'll last long at this price. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, I guess we'll see you next video.